What's up, everyone? It's Stu, and I got got a mail call from Not Too Dead. He sent me some stuff that we're doing some stuff with. He hooked me up with some supplies for some handcuff escapes. Oh yeah, he also hit me with this cool little Abus 5525. I didn't even know that size existed, so that's gonna be fun for some mini lack Mondays. But most importantly, he sent me this Ozark Trail 12-in-1 multi-tool player set. I was asking about, what are good EDC, survival, everyday use kind of player things, and he said, I'm gonna send you a set. So let's take a look at it. Alright, this is the official unboxing knife. It's a Southpaw Pete special. So, a little springy. Nice little spring. The most important use is going to be pliers. How it fits in the hand is going to matter. That's alright. Definitely probably hold back here a little more. It feels like I can really kind of crank on it, so get some torque there. Let's see what you got in here. Now, my thing is, how hard is it to pull these things out? So you usually got to pull something out to get all of them out, and then put back in what you're not using. Let's look on this side on what we have. Got a knife that's decent little sharpness already on there. So that'll be nice if that holds. Got a little, maybe kind of a bottle opener. Phillips head. All bottle opener, kind of knifey tool. Definitely useful. I don't know what you'd call those, but probably going to be useful. Alright, let's see this side. It's easy enough to kind of get things out and started. Yep. So over here, got a file. That's nice. It's a little two different, roughnesses or whatever. So that might be cool. Got a nice little saw. That'll be useful. And then a couple flatheads. So sweet. All in all, I think it's got a very useful array of tools. I think I might I didn't do that right. Yeah. Get on there and grip and bend things as I want to, so sweet. Alright, the last little thing is, how does it fold? It's a nice little sweet. I think this is going to be a very helpful, useful tool. It's definitely going to be within reach here on the Lock Sport desk. So you guys are going to see this. Thank you very much, Not Too Dead. You guys should all go over and check him out, sub him up, watch his stuff, like it, comment, ring the bell, do all those things. He's a good guy.